Hey, Boris Mushev here. Today I'm going to teach you the number one tax strategy that you can use in 2023 to be able to save massive amount of money on taxes on your business tax in 2023. I'm also going to talk to you about why is it that your accountant is costing you tens, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars on your taxes every single year going forward. And we're going to talk about the old way versus the new way. You are overpaying in taxes because you are used to doing things the old way. And in this video, I'm going to show you the new way. My name is Boris Mushev. I'm a CPA and a certified tax strategist. Every Tuesday, I release a tax strategy video. So make sure to go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're new, and turn on that notification icon so that you are notified every time I release a tax strategy video. I've also put together some resources for you, tax savings resources, in the description section, so check those out later after the video. But now back to us. What is the best time? When is the best time really to know about this, the number one tax strategy for 2023? It's right now. I'm shooting this video for you purposely in January of 2023. Look, this is not, I'm not going to get really technical here, right? The number one strategy that you need in your business, in your finances, right, is to make a decision to finally, right, start working with, let me just write here, tax advisor. Because what you have right now is a tax preparer. These are two different things, right? A tax preparer's job is to put the right numbers in the right boxes. File your extensions, file your tax returns, talk to you once a year, maybe around March or April time. How many times have you actually did not hear back from your accountant, right? It's because your accountant is tax preparer, and that's okay to be a tax preparer, but their job is to do tax preparation and not tax planning. A tax advisor is somebody who specializes in tax planning, right? You need tax planning strategy. So when I talk about the number one tax strategy for 2023, it's not an S corporation. It's not a real estate. It's not hiring your kids or taking cash out from your business tax free. It's about all of that, but only with the help of a tax advisor. So I want you to go into this new year, make that New Year's resolution to make sure that you're doing things the new way. See, your accountant is costing you tens, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars on taxes, not deliberately, because you're the one who made that decision to work with this accountant. But you need right now to do things the new way, especially if you are a profitable business owner. We save our clients tens and hundreds of thousands of dollars on taxes using tax planning strategies because we provide tax advisory services. You need to make a decision. You need to use a tax strategy for this year. The number one tax strategy that will help you save massive amount of money on taxes is having a tax advisor. Having a tax advisor means using tax planning strategies, means meeting at least 4 times a year, right? 4 quarterly meetings, right? To discuss your financial position, discuss your profit and loss. You as a business owner need to stay up on top of these things. If you can't stay on top of these things, you've got to trust somebody that can. Think about it this way. Every day you go to work at 7 or 8 o'clock in the morning. And what do? You hunt. You hunt your prey. You gather all of that money. You gather all of those profits. And then you bring it back home. Only to give 30 to 40% away of it to the IRS. And why? Because when you bring all of that money back in, who are you trusting with all of this? That person is your accountant. Is that person trustworthy of the money and the finances that you do? You've got to think about that going into the new year. Last year alone, we saved our clients an estimate of $5.1 million on taxes, and we're still counting using tax planning strategies. Are you working with a trusted person that when you go out and you hunt, who do you bring it to? Do you bring it to a person that's used to doing things the old way? Are you bringing it to a person, an accountant, when you give them a tax strategy or ask them a tax question, they shoot it down? Just last week, I spoke to a business owner just like yourself who pays his accountant $600 a month for whatever they do for them, bookkeeping preparation, And you know what he pays for it as well? Argument, right? Argument. He argues with his accountant all the time because he begs his accountant to use tax strategies. And that is because that accountant is just a tax preparer and not a tax advisor. The number one tax strategy that you can use for your business, for your personal finances this year in 2023 is having a tax advisor. A tax advisor that will help you with tax planning strategies. A tax advisor that will be proactive and not reactive. Don't be surprised that when you ask your accountant in April, is there anything else that I can do? He says, no, you make too much money. His job is not to evaluate your situation. He's not an advisor. Your job is not to ask questions in April. Is there anything else that you can do? The best time to do tax planning was yesterday. I'm bringing this video to you in January of 2023 so that you can be proactive. Below this video, I put together a link for you for a tax advisory consultation, personally with me or one of my tax advisors in the office. It is a $997 consultation with a guarantee. If you do not get any value from that consultation, we will refund you the $997. And if after that consultation you decide to work with us, we'll give you a credit for $997. Really, it's no risk to you. When you fill out an application below, there is a link below. It's a short application. You'll be prompted to also, you'll be sent a secure link to upload your tax returns for the past 3 years so that we can come prepared for your tax advisory consultation. It's only $997. And like I said, if you find value in it, great. If you do not find value in it, we'll refund you, no problem. Or if you decide to work with us and make us your tax advisors going forward, we'll give you a credit. Okay, so it's really a no risk to you. I'm bringing this video to you in January because tax planning, the best time to do tax planning, like I always say, is yesterday. If you have a tax preparer, you do not have a tax planner, you are not using tax planning strategies, ladies and gentlemen, go ahead and take me up on this offer. And I guess till the next time. Thanks.